Network Zen uses an innovative approach to outdoor surveying for network designs: drones. Google satellite imagery is outdated. For outdoor network installations, we use drone imagery to accurately conduct our outdoor greenfield surveys. Our team uses drones to capture hundreds of images to create an accurate orthomosaic map of the entire area. Using geofence technology, our drones scan and photograph a designated area with precision. Within 24 hours, we have a complete high-resolution image of your entire outdoor space. Our network design program incorporates altitudes and specific degree angles to create the most accurate and up-to-date design possible. We use a combination of drones, autonomous flight software, orthomosaic programs, and Wi-Fi measurement devices for our designs. Network Zen is proud to be the first network design service provider to incorporate drone technology into its services. With our innovative systems and topographical mapping, we're revolutionizing the way network designs are created, bringing the Zen one network at a time.